Alright guys, this is another lock I picked up in a little privately owned hardware store in Cleburne, Texas while I was visiting my mother. A lot of you guys may not know this, but Cleburne, Texas is the home of Lake Pat Cleburne, one of the 100 smallest man-made lakes in the United States, or maybe it's 500, I really can't remember. Anyway, the thing that Lake Pat Cleburne is famous for is every year in the spring when people want to go out and start water skiing, that also, coincidentally, happens to be water moccasin mating season. And the way water moccasins are made, they all get out in the water and they get in a big nest of snakes and just start going like that out there while people are skiing. They ski right through the middle of it. And just as they cross over this nest of thousands of mating snakes, of course they panic, they let go of the rope, they fall down, and they get bit by water moccasins. Anyway, there's poor people. But I'm sure they had nothing to do with this security zone lock. Again, I tried to peek through the package to find one. And again, I was able to look down to see there is a deep cut, but the rest of it you just can't quite make out. But a deep cut right near the entry to the lock is always, from a security perspective, that's a good thing. From a lock strength, or from a key strength perspective, probably not. Got some scissors. Let's cut this bad boy open and see what Security Zone has done for us. Now, I didn't even read this, but I'm sure it doesn't say. This was a $9.80 lock, so I'm pretty sure we're not going to find any security pins in here. Come out of there, you. Don't need that stinking packaging. All right, Security Zone. It is also made in China. So repackaged. It looks like there's a nuclear element to this. Just joking, I hope. Might be made with nuclear waste for all I know. Okay, we do have some decent bidding on one. Finally. A couple of really deep cuts, a couple of really high cuts. Not bad. All right, let's see if we can shim it like we did that other lock from the same hardware store. I'll use the right size shims this time. Yeah, I got a feeling this is definitely going to work. Oh, maybe not. It's pretty tight. Pretty tight. Get in there, get in there. And there we go. Nothing to it. That's all there is to Security Zone, but let's keep looking at it. Gosh, it really wouldn't have taken a whole lot of effort to put some serrations on the locking ball to prevent us from doing that. At least, again, it's locked on both sides. Let's try the bypass, just like we did on the other lock. Push the pins out of the way, and again, I can feel the actuator. It is not shielded, but because it's dual, oh, I felt this one unlock. Let's see if I can reach that other one. Pull him down. Come on. Let me turn this over, and maybe, because he's bent a little bit, maybe he can reach a little further to that side, and nope. Here's what I will do. Let me grab my hammer. We know we got that side unlocked. Let's try to wrap this side open. I'm hitting on the shackle. No, I'm hitting on the body of the lock. Try that. No. Hey, it was worth a try. And I boogered that up. Hey, look at there. We've almost, look at that. You can see him starting to come out. He's at a little bit of an angle. You know what? I'm going to whack him a little more. A little harder, Bill. Give him a good lick. We are so close. But not going to happen. I bet when I push this down, you'll hear a click. Yeah, I felt it pop in place. All right, well, it was worth a try. Let's try to use this and the bottom of the keyway. Just a regular probe and see if we can trick it into opening up for us. Just kind of drag him through there. Let's shove them all up. Apply tension, and let's see if we can reverse pick it. Nope. All right, let's try to rake him. Grab a Bogota. You know, this is the advantage of having that wide bidding. He's just probably not going to give up to raking. Nope. All right, so we're going to have to go straight to SPP in this guy. Get in there. I will find something with we got a wide open keyway. So I'm going to grab this guy, the Attila. I'm going to try to bully him first. So heavy tension. Okay, there was one. Actually 5, and there we go. We got to open. Try that again. Really heavy tension. And there we go. I only picked 2 pins, guys. I picked 5 and pin 2, and that is it. Let's try it reverse. Pin 2, and go all the way back to pin 5. Ah, something in there. There it is. That was pin 2. I hadn't quite got him all the way. Not a lot to this. I think only 2 pins are working in this lock, guys. Possibly 3 at best. Even though we get a 5-pin key, I'm not that. Why weren't we able to rake it though? Let's do that raking thing one more time. Tell you what, I'm even going to use something with less of a rise. And I'm going to be pretty vigorous. I'm going to... There it is. Got it. What a hunk of junk. Tell you what, I have a special sticker that Senor Vargas sent to me. And I'm going to give it a special award here. Here we go. That is the award I'm going to give to this Security Zone 2, maybe 2.5 pin lock. Anyway, guys, appreciate your time. Stay safe, stay legal. Appreciate if you click on that like button if you like the video. If you'd like to subscribe, and also I'd appreciate that, click that subscribe button along with the notification bell so whenever I post a video, you will know about it. Thanks, guys.
LockLab where the fun begins. LockLab where the fun begins.